You want your first 100K? Good. Let me tell you why you probably won't get it. Because the first 100K isn't money, it's a filter. A test designed to expose impatience, weakness, and delusion. Most of you fail before you even realize the exam started. You were promised speed, you were sold shortcuts, you were lied to. They didn't tell you the first 100K comes crawling, bleeding alone. No praise, no applause, no one clapping while you starve in silence. This is where motivation dies. This is where the weak start posting quotes instead of working. At 0, you are invisible. Your effort means nothing. Your dreams sound embarrassing. You wake up early, you sleep late, and still, nothing changes. No money, no respect, no proof. This is the moment most people retreat back to comfort, back to excuses, back to blaming the system. That's why they stay broke. The first 100K demands something you don't want to give. Consistency without reward. Discipline without dopamine. Work without witnesses. You fail again and again and again. Not loudly, quietly. No audience, no sympathy. Just you. And the realization that nobody is coming to save you. And if you survive long enough, something inside you hardens. You stop hoping, you stop praying. You stop waiting, you execute. Money stops being emotional. Losses stop hurting. Doubt stops controlling you. You don't feel powerful. You become dangerous. But don't misunderstand me. The first 100K doesn't reward effort. It rewards endurance. It exists to eliminate you, and it works, because most of you will quit. You'll choose comfort over becoming someone unrecognizable. You'll choose average over lonely greatness. So if you're still at 0, good. You're being tested. And right now, you're either being forged or quietly erased.